This Windermere Real Estate Whatcom, Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Johnson Cicchitti. Great condo with one-level living. This 3-bedroom 2-full bathroom condo has 1157 square feet with such a great floor plan, new gas fireplace in the spacious living room with 2-door to the 2 patios outback. The backyard is private, as it backs up to a trail system. Master bedroom has its own bathroom and home has new paint, carpet and cleaning. All appliances stay with the home. 2 storage units come with the condo, such a cute kitchen and lots of windows for lots of natural light. For more information, review the details below.